Andrew McKenzie, Chief Executive, Kāinga Ora. We've been going since the 1st of October 2019. Previously, we're Housing New Zealand, HLC, and part of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Development. So we have a couple of roles for government. One of them is providing public housing. The government's 65,000 state homes they own. The second is helping New Zealand with its urban development challenges. How we get more homes built to a quality of urban design, urban living standards. That means that communities operate really well and people thrive within them. So for us, health and safety culture actually starts with people in the organisation being aware that we care about them and that it's important to us, not just as a tick the boxes, comply with the statute task. It's actually about genuinely caring about how it is that we make sure that they are safe in all aspects of their life. It's not just about safe on a site, and we have a number of sites across the country, if you think about our 65,000 homes, but also complex building sites. You know, construction, one of the more dangerous industries to work in, so there is a big challenge there, but it comes back to us telling people it actually really matters to us. As I say, it's not a box ticking exercise, it's actually about getting people to both understand we want them to be safe, but then take responsibility themselves for what's going on in the sites they're in, understanding the risks, the dangers, so that they're actually capable of making their own assessments and their own judgment calls on an instant-by-instant basis. Our rules, our processes are not going to work 100% of the time. These are very dynamic sites that people will be in, whether it's a home, somebody turns up and it wasn't expected, there's an animal there, all of these things which can make it a lot more complex than just a set of rules. So you've got to start off with the individual, and they've got to understand that it's about them and us caring about them, and them being up to the task of adapting, reacting, and keeping themselves in the best possible position. For me as the Chief Executive, winning those awards, I guess the first thing is a bit of pride. Pride in the efforts that our health, safety and security team have put into making sure that we've got all the foundations in place. Pride in the work they've done around our culture. It's also, I guess, reassuring. Reassuring that the people who work in this organisation are going to be, safer than other organisations when they go to work every day. It's reassuring to have that confirmation. I mean, we know that we have really good, high quality people working for us, both in the field, but also in those areas that are trying to make this organisation safer. So it's really reassuring to know that the industry, when they look at us, they go, actually, you're really good. And that does come from the quality of people we have in this place.
Safe365, intelligent health and safety software for business.